From a police department perspective, we do a lot of proactive patrols. Throughout the weekends, especially during the evening times, we do a lot of patrols during the night to make sure that we're canvassing the neighborhoods, making sure that we don't see anybody walking in and around houses, anybody that seems suspicious or anything of that nature. In the neighborhoods, we make sure that on the weekends and especially during the evening hours, we beef up our patrols. We're always on the lookout for anybody that looks suspicious or maybe somebody that doesn't look like they really belong in the area. That's one of the best ways that we can help make sure that your houses and your property is not being stolen or burglarized.